WhatsApp just introduced a new feature that helps you quickly access your favorite people and groups. You can find these favorites at the top of your Calls tab, and use them as a filter for your chats. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to the Calls tab. Tap on Add to Favorites to start adding your desired contacts or groups. From the list, select the contacts or groups you wish to add to your favorites. After that, tap on OK from the bottom right corner. And the contacts has been added to the favorites list. Tap on More to see the full list. To make changes to the list, tap the pencil icon from the top. From here you can add more contacts to the list. Reorder contacts by dragging the two lines. And delete any contact from the list. After completing the modifications, go back to Save Changes. You can also access the Favorites option from Settings. For this, tap on the three dots from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Here you will see the Favorites option. Tap on it. WhatsApp has rolled out this feature for all users, and it will be available to everyone in the coming weeks. So in this way, you can set favorite contacts for quick calling on WhatsApp.